His energy levels are just too amazing.
His level of energy and the enthusiasm which comes through in every shoot is amazing.
SRK, the natural energy resource of the country.
Lambe Saath ki guarantee, Shah Rukh Khan and energy both goes well together very well.
We've all been subjected to power failure sometime or the other in some state, city or area that we live in, specifically in India. बहुत कठिनाई होती है, तकलीफ होती है बड़े-बड़े कामों में. And I also feel बहुत important और emergency वाली जगहों पे जैसे hospitals and schools also. मुझे याद है पंखा नहीं चलता था, हमारे पास कूलर या एसी नहीं था, लेकिन फिर वो ज़मीन पे पानी डाल के you just have to lie down and cool yourself for hours and wait, count. पढ़ाई नहीं होती थी या उसका बहाना बना लेते थे कि पावर फेल हो गया, पढ़ नहीं सकते.
Action.
अपना इंटेलिजेंट जीनस को यूपीएस में होता तो ये हाल नहीं होता.
So here we have the best actor in the country, Shah Rukh, promoting the best product, known for its quality, backed by great service and created by a team of energetic professionals.
It's a big coincidence. I'm shooting for Chennai Express और यहीं पर हमने वाई में स्वदेश की 80 या 90% शूटिंग की. And it's extremely coincidental कि मैं जीनस होम यूपीएस और इन्वर्टर्स के लिए ऐड कर रहा हूँ, यहीं कर रहा हूँ जहाँ पर मैंने काम किया था एक छोटे से गांव में बल्ब जलाने का. पहले मालूम होता तो जीनस होम इन्वर्टर्स में जल्दी से बिजली आ जाती गाँव के अंदर.
The country was moving on square wave inverter. It brings the humming noise. It is not safe for the appliances. Genus decided only for the short sine wave inverter. The whole country is moving for a smart. So that is why Genus came with short sine wave inverter. It's smart.
It is ideal for not only the domestic application, it is also ideal for applications like lift inverters, petrol pumps, ATM and medical. Such an important part of our lives.
जीनस होम यूपीएस इन्वर्टर्स एंड बैटरीज, आई थिंक इनकी दो चार बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी है. जीनस इज वे हेड ऑफ एनी अदर इन्वर्टर और यूपीएस सिस्टम.
And using it when it's supposed to be used when you're running, short of energy, you can use it. I don't know how he manages, but he does that. Shooting one day, again shooting with us, and again shooting tomorrow.
He's been shooting all day from early morning for his film, and then it's middle of the night and we're shooting. And it doesn't make us feel that he's tired or he's worked such long hours. It's incredible how he's got so much energy and makes us all feel energetic too with his enthusiasm.
I woke up at about 8:30 and yeah, we've had some big and difficult shooting in the day in the heat, and now I think it's about 2:33. I finish your work. I finish some photographs for the Genus UPS, and then I have another hour of work for recording for the IPL. Get up at 8 again and get back to some. We're having a difficult action sequence in Chennai Express where I'm shooting at. So yeah, I don't know, about 16 hours already or 14 hours already.
Camera, action.
हो गया ना खुशियों का पावर का. जीनस होम यूपीएस लगवाइए ना. Somewhere inside me I have a Genus UPS inverter which keeps me charged all the time, and I think that's what it is, and I'll find it, and mine is also automatically auto sensory charging.